The Indian Postal System is one of the few organizations in the country that can efficiently reach even the most remote parts of the country. This is perhaps the key reason why this organization has been the forefront of delivering services ranging from insurance and banking to saving schemes such as Public Provident Fund. Hey guys, this is Prarthana from ClearTax and let us know in depth how to open a PPF account in a post office. Now, to open a Public Provident Fund account at the post office, you basically need 5 documents. Firstly, identity proof, voter ID, passport, driving license, Aadhaar card. Number 2, address proof. Thirdly, your PAN card. Next, a passport size photograph, and lastly, nomination form, Form E. Now, coming to the process of opening a PPF account in a post office, it can be done in 4 simple steps. Firstly, get an application form from your nearest post office or from the sub-post office in your area. The application form can also be acquired online. Next, fill up the form and submit it with the required KYC documents and your passport size photograph. Then the initial deposit required to open a post office PPF account is Rs 500 and the maximum amount allowed initially is Rs 70,000. However, the maximum deposit allowed within a year is Rs 1.5 lakh. Then once all documents are submitted with the initial deposit, the applicant will be handed a passbook for the PPF account. The passbook will contain all the details like the name of the account holder, PPF account number, branch name, etc. A PPF is a good form of investment if you are risk averse and do not want to subject your money to market volatility. With the simplicity of its functionality and ease of operation online, it is a convenient channel of saving. Do not forget the maturity amount is exempted from taxation. There are also some key eligibility criteria for opening a post office PPF account. Number 1, any resident Indian including salaried, self-employed, pensioner, etc. can open a PPF account at a post office. Then the total number of PPF accounts including post office PPF account that an individual can open is restricted to 1 and joint operation is not allowed. Thirdly, minor PPF account can be opened at a post office by a parent or guardian on behalf of the minor child. This too is restricted to 1 minor PPF account per child. Next, non-residents are not allowed to open a new PPF account. However, in case a resident Indian becomes NRI prior to maturity of the PPF account, he or she can continue operating the account till maturity. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any doubts or any recommendations, definitely let us know in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to ClearTax's YouTube channel for regular videos on finance. Stay tuned, stay happy and take care.